everybody, it's Wesley here from Farm Shenanigans, and today I have another great find that I want to show you from Decor Steels, and it is this awesome architectural piece. I love this. So I'm going to actually use it in my dining room. I have been waiting for a long time to find something where I could tie these two sections, these gallery walls together. So I'm going to use this over my window, and I'm going to show you that in a second. But before I show you that, I just wanted to give you one quick design tip, and that is when you're designing a gallery wall or any room, don't rush to find the right pieces. I've had this like this for at least a year, and it looks great the way it is. So sometimes the things that you think are missing, other people will not notice. But I was just holding out to find the right piece to kind of bridge the two gallery sections together. And I found it at Decor Steels, and I love this piece. It's a great, well done piece. I love the gray on white tone because that's what my wall colors are, so it kind of plays off that. So I just wanted a little punch above my window. So I'm just gonna take this and I'm gonna hang it right above my window. I just used a heavy duty command hook. Now, if you wanted to hang this over a doorway or something like that, I would definitely recommend using a nail because you don't want it to fall off or be a hazard. But I'm just using a command hook and hanging it right here above my window, and it looks so good. So let me show you what that looks like. But also, I just want to tell you, this piece is so versatile. You could use it on a bookshelf. You could use it above a doorway. You could use it as an accent piece on a piece of furniture, on your mantle. So I'll try to show you a couple of other styled options too. But for me, the perfect place is right here in my dining room above the window, and that's where it's gonna stay. I hope you love this little deal from Decor Steels. Check them out daily because their offerings change every day. The deals go quick and you don't wanna miss out. You can find some great pieces there. And for more tips in home decor, follow me, Wesley, at Farm Shenanigans on Instagram. I'll see you next time.